Hi, and welcome to this episode of Empowering Your Job Search. My name is Soozy Miller. This episode is brought to you by the Strategic Advisor Board and my company, Control Your Career. I am a certified behavioral analyst and an executive career coach. I work with executives who feel stuck in their situation. I coach executives to control their career by giving them the tools and methodology to land their next awesome opportunity and then to control their overall career path until they don't want to work anymore. So I want to cover job postings today. Job postings can be a really interesting thing because I try to work with them, with clients, using them as like the ultimate cheat sheet. Like all of your information that you need about a job can be found in the job posting. But unfortunately, some job postings are not written well, and they are literally the only description of the job posting that's available to you. Even recruiters and the hiring team will use that one job posting that was created at the company to show them to all possible applicants. So really, the job posting is the only information that you have. And they sometimes get odd or unhelpful. Sometimes they're not written by human resources. Sometimes they're not written by anyone who even understands your field. But still, they are the only source of information that you really have about the job. So there are technical job postings that show no technical requirements. I've definitely seen that. There are some leadership descriptions that have had weird requirements, like one director job posting that I saw that actually required Word, a Microsoft Word, and mentioned it in like the first or second bullet point of the description, which means it was important to the company. I nearly fell off my chair when I saw that one. But I had to make sure that the client I was working with put Microsoft Word in their skill set because it was apparently important to the company. So a few of my clients have actually complained about the job postings they see, that they're not written by the right people, or they're not written by HR, or they're not written by somebody who knows anything about the field. And they're really frustrated by that. And I get it. And some of those clients have threatened to call the company to try to change or edit the job posting. Now, I understand the frustration, but I wouldn't necessarily put my energy into calling the company about it. What you would want to do instead is, just to the best of your ability, read that job posting from top to bottom. Don't just go by the title. Read the job posting as best you can and see if there are interesting and odd keywords in that job description that might help you add interesting content to your resume to apply to that position. So that's one way that you can combat odd or vague general job postings. They're out there, and I know that they're annoying, and I know that they deter some really quality leadership people from applying to them. But as I said, the job posting is really your only cheat sheet. It's your only information out there about that job. So just use it to the best of your ability. So thank you for watching today's episode of Empowering Your Job Search. I hope this was helpful to you and your career. If you need further information, just click on the link in the description and I'll be glad to talk to you further about this. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to this channel so you get valuable daily updates. I'll talk to you soon.